On this episode of Alita's Art Gallery, we are going to take a little stroll down Flower Lane. I went on the internet for something I could test my creativity with, and I came across a flower much similar to this, and then the magic began. I drew what I saw and filled it in with color. I must say, I created this magenta color out of necessity, as the actual color was not included in my oil pastels. I did so by blending the colors pink and red. I used a variation of blues, both light and dark, to create the surrounding background that you see, and then my picture was complete. But what would I name it? I thought. Flower? That would be too easy. Then I recalled a scene from Golden Girls, where Blanche described the color magenta as a mood when she can't quite figure out how she feels. And it hit me. It was staring me right in my face. Magenta. I'll name it Magenta. After all, it is the color of the flower, and a lovely color it is. Isn't it so pretty? I just love the vibrant colors. Until next time, thank you, gracias, obrigado. Be safe and be well. Ciao, bye-bye.